Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude back with another toy review. Today we'll be taking a look at the new Schliech, or Schliech, however you pronounce it, Dinosaurs toy line cage set. So I was at Toy Traders in Langley, which some of you might have seen in a previous video, and I found this very interesting dinosaur pen cage thing that's part of a lineup with human figures and vehicles, very reminiscent of Mattel and Jurassic Park. And this is just an individual cage. It can connect to a larger compound that they have, which is also really interesting. And I think I'm going to pick it up hopefully soon. It's like 150 bucks, but I don't see Mattel producing anything like a compound or anything like that. So I think it'll be a good addition to the lineup, even if it's not official. But yeah, I decided to buy this. It was only $17, so it's pretty decent. Up here in Canada, you can get these figures for $17, so I think that's a pretty good deal. Anyways, so I'm going to take a look at its scale, see if it's worth buying more, and maybe I'll just have to get them as a stand-in for fence pieces for Mattel figures. So yeah, let's dive right in. This toy line, or model line, used to just, produce dinosaur models, prehistoric animal models. They've also got other animals in the lineup too. So it's like, for those of you who don't know, similar to Papo and Safari and Collecta and whatnot. But now they've started getting into like the dinosaur park type themes, which is perfect. Oh, those are heavy duty, look at that. Oh. I got a flickering light. So this set comes in multiple pieces. It's actually really big. Like I guess like for what the box has, it just seemed smaller than it looked. So it's got some instructions. Well, that's cute. It says you can connect it to the compound. And then here's the other sets. There's a little Jeep, a little quad, and there's a compound there. So let's see. That's like basic assembly. They've got one bag with some little pieces in it. I think these are for the door, maybe? It says... Oh, this is an interesting piece. To slide this hinge into here. And then it latches onto this piece. Like this. So it forms this little latch thingy. Also, it's got like a dent. So like if a dinosaur rammed it and kind of dented it. And this really reminded me of Jurassic World Evolution, the game. These fence pieces are kind of like the heavy-duty ones that you can get. So which direction do these face? I don't think it matters. Both sides look the same. I'm just going to pop them in and see. And I believe that these are also breakable. So like if you want your dinosaur to smash out of the enclosure, they have that kind of feature, which is really cool. Like I would love to see Mattel do cage pieces like this. Oh. And I'm not sure why they haven't yet. I know like it's something to do with their marketing with the vehicles and humans, how people aren't really buying them. But it's not a Jurassic line without the humans and the vehicles, right? But it's nice to see other companies like Schliech stepping in where Mattel won't and producing these kind of things that are completely compatible with the lineup. I love the detailing on them too. Look at all the little grooves and the little textures of concrete. That's so nice. Keep putting them on wrong. Oh my goodness. You just gotta pull these kind of a little bit. and then it snaps in. And it's got a little peg there to hold it up, but then when you pull it like this, it snaps out of that little peg, and the cage falls, so the dinosaur can get out. That's really neat. Okay, and then these just snap together like so. Here, I'll move this back. That's actually decent for even medium-sized dinosaurs. So we got the cages in, and then we've got this. So this is the door. And how does this connect? Let's take a look at this instructions. Let's see. It's all in like individual papers. So it connects like this. So this is like the side piece for the door. Hopefully I'm doing this right. So we got that in, and then the door fits. Oh, like this. And then this latch lifts up. This on upside down? I think this is upside down. Oh my goodness. Okay. There we go. Now I got it. Yeah, that's in. Okay, so this little latch lifts up and then goes on this. And you put it down and the door is locked. There we go. So there's a cage. It only comes with 3 fence pieces, but like, I'm probably gonna buy more now that I see that it's really nice quality. It's a very similar plastic to what we see Mattel using. It's very sturdy and it's also lightweight. It's not cheap and flimsy, it's got volume to it. Like even the bars are pretty thick plastic for what they are, which is absolutely perfect. And this is a great design, very reminiscent of Jurassic World Evolution. And it has a really neat feature, so, well, each of them does actually, where you can have a dinosaur break out, and it just snaps. Come on. Oh. It folds in. Okay. Sorry, on the diagram it shows these little things coming up to the sides, but it seems like it only folds one way. So if you want the cage pieces to properly fold out, you have to invert it. Like this. There we go. So if you want the dinosaur to break out, let's try that again. Just like that. The cage part falls and you can have them break out. So that's pretty cool. I've personally never thought that this toy line or model line would actually go out of their way and make something similar to this. And again, I'm really, really glad they did, because it's just something that we haven't seen Mattel really do yet. Who knows, maybe sometime in the future they'll do a whole lineup like this, but I highly doubt it. But it's great to see that there's another quality toy producer that's making stuff like this for us collectors. That's pretty cool too. So let's see how it scales with a medium-sized dinosaur, or a medium-large. I do have my Carnotaurus nearby. We can just set that up and see. Holy cow, it does actually fit well. That's wicked. So thanks to these little pieces that stick up, it makes the cage even taller, and you can see the Carnotaur's head is just slightly above these pieces, so that scales absolutely well. Yeah, I'm definitely going to load up on these fence pieces. I'm adoring them. The more that I get to get a feel for what they're like and how they look, they're just really growing on me. And that feature with the braking part is also just really amazing. So this is a perfect must-have for any person who does not collect like the classic Jurassic Park stuff. I'd probably argue that this is a lot better than what Kenner produced, just in detail and playability. Those fence pieces that Kenner produced were a lot more accurate, but actually I think I might have one nearby. Here we go. So let's do a comparison real quick. So this is a fence piece from the Kenner 1993 toy line from Jurassic Park, and it's actually slightly taller. Here, I'll zoom in. Just by a tad bit. See, this top part here is just taller than that spike, and then obviously these side pieces are a lot taller than it, but in comparison to the Hasbro 2015 fence pieces, it's obviously a lot bigger, and you can see there's color variants in it, and it's a lot more accurate to what we see in certain games, and I think even in Camp Cretaceous some of the fences look like this. Remember, I think Toro's enclosure had these on them too. So it's a lot more appealing for modern day park fences, and it fits well with the Jurassic World theme. I don't think Jurassic World uses the electric wires anymore, so this would make sense to have like these metal bars reinforced with concrete. And if it works well with the medium-sized dinosaurs and the small, it's perfect for building your own Jurassic Park or Jurassic World. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. I'll definitely be getting more, and I'll do some updates and maybe a better comparison. But I just wasn't expecting what I got, because this is way more appealing and not flimsy. I was expecting it to be a lot more flimsy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and hopefully you can track down some of these fence pieces, maybe at local toy stores or hobby stores, and consider picking them up. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed again, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.